Have you ever wondered how traditional cuisines make use of every part of an animal? Today, we explore the concept of nose-to-tail eating, a practice that turns offal into delicious dishes. Nose-to-tail is a culinary philosophy emphasizing the use of all parts of an animal, from head to tail. This approach not only respects animals, but also reduces waste and supports sustainable eating habits. In many countries, rabbit heads and brains are enjoyed in various recipes, showcasing how traditional dishes often include parts that might seem unusual to others. For example, the rabbit head is not just a delicacy, but also rich in nutrients. Irish cuisine exemplifies nose-to-tail eating with dishes made from organs like beef cheek and lamb kidneys. These cuts, often overlooked, provide unique flavors when prepared correctly. Pigtails are another part of the animal used in Asian cuisine. Braised and roasted with a marinade, they offer a dish that's both nutritious and affordable due to their collagen and healthy fats. The concept was popularized by chef Fergus Henderson in his book, Nose-to-Tail Eating. His restaurant, St. John, became a pioneer in promoting this ethos among young chefs and food enthusiasts. While some cuts require special preparation techniques, the simplicity of nose-to-tail eating lies in its potential to create flavorful dishes without wasting any part of the animal. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at how different cuisines utilize every part of an animal. What surprising dish did you find most interesting? Let me know in the comments.